I'm Gabby with Blue Compass RV. Today we're taking a look at the 2024 Jayco Alante, featuring a fantastic outside kitchen and sleeping for the whole family. Your Alante is equipped with auto leveling standard, and your driver's seat is going to have 6-way power controls, so super comfortable to drive. Up above me is an optional overhead bunk for the kids. This is rated at 750 pounds and it has real European slat systems. It's very comfortable with some protective guards so the kids don't roll out at night. In this model, your recliners are optional. You can also get a jackknife sofa if you want to sleep 2 more people. Right across from me is going to be the smart TV, so you can watch TV when it's raining or in the evening. And down below is going to be your booth dinette with a super simple way to set up to sleep 2 more people, your seatbelt tethers, and every single seating location in the Jayco Alante is equipped with a safety-rated seatbelt. Moving into the kitchen, you have plenty of counter space. There's a cover here on this stainless steel sink with a pull faucet. You have a power tower behind me so that you can absolutely plug in your coffee pot or whatever else you want to use. You have a residential size microwave with 3-burner cooktop and an oven, plenty of storage. I want to point out that this unit is 30 amps and it has a power management system. So you have 2 ACs that will run off a 30 amp service with a solar panel standard, and that solar panel is going to trickle charge your battery, which will then run the fridge going down the road. So this is a 12-volt fridge, really big, absolutely awesome. And next to it, you're going to have a nice sized pantry for all of your dry goods. The modern farmhouse interior option comes with this beautiful barn door, and you walk into this spacious bathroom, which is going to give you a massive medicine cabinet, plenty of counter space with a stainless steel sink, upgraded foot flush porcelain toilet, and lots of space in your shower. Your master bedroom features a massive wardrobe with lots of storage, walk-around island queen bed standard, and cabinets up above the bed. And there's an option for a bedroom TV. Up front on the Alante, the biggest feature is going to be this 120-inch windshield. They use Turkish sand to build this windshield. It's got limited distortion. You have oversized windshield wipers, 32 inches, for a nice clear view going down the road while you're traveling. The cap is a 1-piece seamless fiberglass front cap, so there's no seams, nowhere for water to get in, and it's going to wrap up and around the motorhome up to the 1-piece upgraded fiberglass roof. Huge feature on the motorhome. This is what you find on $500,000 diesel motorhomes. The Jayco Alante has a fantastic ride and handling upgraded package called JRide. This is going to include a bunch of upgrades to your suspension, which is going to give you a quieter, better handling motorhome going down the road. New for 24 is the Bilstein steering stabilizer, which will give you a lot more rigidity going down the road, and you won't have to white knuckle it so much. Upgraded in the door, you have this massive window, right? You have 2 electric steps, so really comfortable getting in and out of this motorhome. Giant awning on this floor plan so I can hang out here comfortably. Upgraded storage bays with the metal slam latches, and check this out, huge pass-through storage. That's so much taller than everybody else out there. You've got about 14 inches of clearance vertically. You could put skis, you could put fishing poles, you could put tiki torches, whatever you want to bring for your camping trips. Underneath your awning, you have this awesome entertainment center which has outside speakers for your music, and you have a smart TV so you can watch whatever your favorite TV shows are. On this floor plan, you have an exterior kitchen which features an awesome fridge, a sink, and plenty of storage. Let's check out the back. The Alante is standard with frameless windows and a rear ladder, as well as rear and side view cameras. Down here you can see that you're equipped with a hitch to tow a vehicle behind the motorhome. It's rated for 5,000 pounds with a 500-pound tongue rating. Your Alante is going to come standard with slide toppers no matter the floor plan, and I just want to point out that with this floor plan you have a massive super slide. You can see that they don't have their mechanisms for the slide out on the side of it. They actually put them up underneath it because each slide is weight rated with the proper equipment. You have 30 amp service on this coach standard. You also have a second pass-through storage bay, which is just as deep as that first one, so you can fit all of your gear. Your Alante features a 4,000 watt generator, which is going to run off of your gas tank. At a quarter tank, it will shut off automatically to preserve your fuel so you can get to your next destination. This has been the 2024 Jayco Alante motorhome. Remember, when you purchase from Blue Compass RV at one of our over 100 locations, we are going to give you the absolute lowest sale price in the nation. We're going to overpay for your trade-in, and we're going to get you the most aggressive rate, term, and payment for your financing, no matter your credit.